No, it's not effective. No, it's not. So it's just getting worse. Uh, so the experiment is fail. It's not repairable. This is a camera of Vivo V21 5G back main camera, so it will not back to stabilize or going to automatic uh, because if you pull this off, it will going to cut the lines. These four lines. It has a four lines. This one. This will hold the lens. It will not going to automatic stable. So it will be shaky. The camera will be shaky, and if you put magnet on this one, uh, it might stable, but totally garbage. So not repairable. If you remove this lens because the lens is damaged, this part here, the lens is scratch, so it's not repairable. You cannot replace the lens. You have to replace the camera.